What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Runtime library error on your C++ and how we can fix this. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings, and right now from here we need to navigate to the apps. Now from here navigate to installed apps. Now over here at the top we need to search for C++. So if you find the C++, right now we can see there are a lot of C++, and right now we need to select the first one and go for modify and go for yes. Right now you'll be getting an option called repair, so just go for repair. And right now this is going to take a little bit of time, so we just need to wait this switch completely done. And once done, close this as well, and we need to move to the next one. Next one is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the Microsoft Visual C++. You have to search for Visual C++ like this, click on this one, and right now once again we need to download the C++. So you can just go to this particular page, or you can search on the Google Chrome and go for, if the system is based on x64 you can download this one. If the system is based on x86 you can download this one. So download these and install on your system, and most probably afterwards you will not be having an issue regarding this. And that's what you have to try, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.